Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having an amazing day. Quick look here again at Coin, seeing what's going on. Got a lot of requests for this one. Apologize I haven't covered it in a little while. We'll see exactly what's going on here though, hopefully with a detailed analysis. So if you are new to the channel, just know I love teaching people to trade. Really hope you can learn something today. What we're going to look at here really quick, first of all, is just the daily time frame. We're going to understand specifically what this looks like first before we work our way down, because the daily time frame is important to know if we're above or below certain moving averages. For trend line's sake, we can see we're associating ourselves right above the 20-day SMA, which is fantastic. So it's a good chance we're going to close today in the next hour above that level and above the 52. So those are important contributing factors. We got a MACD convergence. Sorry, I misspoke. Stochastic convergence. Roughly a MACD just moves a little faster, swinging upwards here, letting us know we're on the right side of the tracks, and that the momentum should shift upwards. We also have a high amount of money flow index, which is interesting. Oftentimes you don't see such a disparity between the RSI and the MFI. That's a good sign though, that's actually very bullish, okay? Same thing with the MACD, swinging upwards. We like to converge that here into a nice, sweet little upward momentous trend. So Coin has all the pieces here so far on the daily to have a pretty strong breakout. Now, is that going to continue? 4-hour time frame will tell us that we are above all moving average. That's amazing. I'd love to see that. Stochastic RSI swinging up again, which is extra good. And of course, money flow index RSI in an unoverextended state. That's even better. That basically just means the price should, in fact, continue further up. Keep in mind, we got some resistances here. We're going to go ahead and just mark this on the chart. There we go. We'll just go ahead and put that there. Most recent high, effectively, couldn't get past that. We tried to wake up there again, didn't get past. So again, a closure at about 10.3. I'm going to round up and say 10.4. 10.4 would essentially be a very strong sign for us here. It doesn't have to happen on the daily, it could happen on the 4-hour, but something along those lines would give us that confirmation we're on the right side of the tracks. You could say right now we're testing the most recent high, which is also true, but I'd much rather go with this level here just to be on the safe side so we have a little bit more confirmation. Let's look at confirmation on the hourly, kind of see what's going on here, because I always look at the Ichimoku cloud. I'm sure you're tired of hearing this, but this really tells us that we're in good shape to keep our long position open. Right here, of course, when it comes to the lagging span, it's not free and clear, or soon to be not free and clear. So unless the price legs up right away, we might have I wouldn't say a sell signal, but that's kind of an indication to let you know you might want to consider taking some profits. Okay, that is essentially what that's telling us. So again, if you're profitable in your long position, you should have done so already. You shouldn't be just free flowing with a long position. That's not really how you're supposed to trade. You got to set alerts and targets and make sure you understand what you want out of it. It's got to work within your risk tolerance. If you losing 10% is okay, then that's what you work with. That's where you set your stop loss. But if you're okay with the price going up to 100% gains and coming back down to that 10% stop loss, that's where take profit targets are important. Okay. Again, people leave a lot of money on the table for no reason, just because they're getting greedy and they want to get that awesome thumbnail to be able to post online to show off how great they are. Again, just be modest, work within your own means, and just trade with proper risk tolerance. Okay, so that's the hourly there. Last thing we can look at is a 15. Let me just quickly note this here first. We got an awesome group here, of course. I just want to kind of quickly clarify and let you know that we had some awesome trades here recently. 85% OP. 10 days, 24 days, 87% from ARB. We also have a near protocol. This is a very old one. Not really relevant, but 200%, not too bad. Same thing with Gala, 32%, and roughly 24 hours. So again, bit of a we got a 1-day trade, we got a 1-week trade, and we got like a 3-week trade. They all taking serious profits though. And again, you're never profitable unless you truly take profits. All right, folks? So what are your thoughts here? What do you think we're going to see here next? I'm going to go ahead and pull up our CC Gold indicator. We got a lot of buy signals here, letting us know it's good confirmation to go long. And of course, some nice little buys and sells here too. So awesome stuff. Be sure to check that out if you're curious. CryptoCash.tech, good site for that. Looks like we got somebody here. Might have to get out of here. Thanks again for joining me. We have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next one.